Dr. Tope Fasua, a special advisor to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has projected that the Nigerian Naira may strengthen further to exchange at 600 Naira to a dollar in the foreign exchange market. He therefore warned foreign exchange speculators or foreign currency speculators that they are going to have their fingers burnt if they think that the Naira will continue to depreciate and become what he called nonsense. But how is it feasible that the Naira could strengthen to 600 Naira to the dollar when in September a Bureau de change operator was punished for selling the Naira, for selling the dollar at less than 700 Naira?